Hi children, so here comes our 7th lesson, Life in the States of Central India. And children, the states which comes under Central India are Gujarat, the capital, Gandhinagar, Maharashtra, capital, Mumbai, Goa, Panaji, Madhya Pradesh, the capital as Bhopal, Chhattisgarh, the capital Raipur, and Odisha, the capital Bhubaneswar. So these are the states which comes under Central India. Anyway, while this Gujarat, Maharashtra and Goa, these states lie on the western coast of India, whereas Odisha lies in the eastern coast. So the states of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh lies between the west coast of India and east coast of India. So children, now first let us learn about Gujarat. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. And children, you can see here the Girnar Hills in the Kathiawar region. So children, these are the most beautiful Girnar Hills in the Kathiawar region, and these hills are covered with thick forests, and these forests are home to the Gir lions. So the black soil of Gujarat is very fertile. And coming about the agriculture in Gujarat, people grow cotton, groundnuts, tobacco and wheat. And the farmers of Gujarat are really hard workers. Not only agriculture, dairy farming is also an important occupation of the people in Gujarat. So Anand Dairy is one such well-known society, and this dairy sells milk, butter, cheese, ghee and other milk products on a large scale. And people of Gujarat are fond of singing and dancing. Garba and Ras are the popular folk dances, and Makar Sankranti is a famous festival in Gujarat, and people organize kite fly competitions on this day. And here comes our next state, Maharashtra, with the capital as Mumbai. So children, this is the black soil of Maharashtra, which is very fertile, and people grow groundnuts, cotton, tobacco and oil seeds here, and also oranges of Nagpur, grapes of Nasik, bananas, mangoes of Mumbai are very famous, which are grown from this black soil. And children, oil is found under sea near Mumbai, so it is called the Mumbai High. This is the Mumbai High. So the tourist places of Mumbai, Maharashtra, the Ajanta and Ellora caves. So the Gateway of India, Hanging Gardens, Elephanta Caves and Marine Drive, and Shirdi Temple and Shani Shinganapur Temple are worth seeing places in Maharashtra. And children, this is the traditional dress of Maharashtrian men, where they wear dhoti and kurta, and women wear sari and blouse with in a peculiar draping way, and Maharashtrian men also wear turban or a cap to cover their heads. So people also take interest in dance and dramas. Tamasha is a famous form of folk dance. And children, here comes the next state in the central India or else in the western coast, that is the smallest state of our country, Goa, the capital Panaji. So this lies in the south of Maharashtra in the west coast of India between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. So Goa itself is a land of beautiful beaches and green fields. So tourists from both foreign and Indian visit these beaches every year. Coming about the agriculture in Goa, people grow coconuts, areca nuts, cashew nut, pineapple and mango trees. Black pepper and jeera are also grown here. Anyway, rice is also grown but in the small quantity which is sufficient for the local needs. And children, people are mostly Christians. Men wear shirt and trousers, women wear saris and cholis. So some of them also wear skirts. Anyway, Christmas is the chief festival. So you can see here a carnival, Christmas carnival attracts people in large number from across the country. And coming about the tourist places, Panaji is the capital of Goa, and there are number of churches, and famous church is that Saint Francis Xavier. So the remains of the body of Saint Francis Xavier are kept in the chapel of this church. And the fishermen of Goa are fond of dance and music. And children, here comes the other state, Madhya Pradesh. So the capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Madhya Pradesh has almost all the landforms. They are thick forests, and there is very heavy rainfall. So here Narmada river flows in this state, and this Narmada river is called the lifeline of Madhya Pradesh. And other than Narmada, Tapti, Betwa, Son and Chambal. So these are the other rivers which flow in Madhya Pradesh. So children, as I told you, this Madhya Pradesh is covered with a thick forest which is full of wildlife sanctuaries. So the tourist attractions of Madhya Pradesh is the Sanchi Stupa, and this is the Gwalior Fort of Madhya Pradesh, and Khajuraho, which is famous for its temples. And so this is the famous festival of Maharashtra, Gangur. So Panna is the place in Madhya Pradesh where diamonds are mined here, and the northeastern part of state rich in minerals like iron ore, coal, manganese deposits, and diamonds are also mined in near Panna. And children, here comes the next state, Chhattisgarh, with the capital Raipur. Chhattisgarh was carved out of Madhya Pradesh on 1st November 2000. And coming about the rivers of Chhattisgarh are Mahanadi, Indravati, Son, Pairi, Hasdo, Sabri. And this state is rich in natural resources and mineral deposits like iron ore, coal, gold, aluminium and diamonds. And large part of Chhattisgarh is covered with forests, and many tribal people live in these forests who are fond of music and dance. So children, this is Odisha. our next state in central India, and its capital is Bhubaneswar. So the ancient name of Odisha was Kalinga. And coming about the rivers of Odisha, so Mahanadi, Baitarni, Brahmani, Tel, Pushkulyam and Sabri. And the Hirakud Dam on the river Mahanadi is built to prevent floods and also to provide water for irrigation and also to provide hydroelectricity. And the forest and wildlife sanctuary. So the Chilka Lake near the sea coast is one of the largest saline water lakes in the country. People living by the lake and the sea catch fish for survival. So these are the wildlife sanctuaries in Odisha. And coming about the tourist attractions, the Sun Temple, Konark, Puri Jagannath. The Rath Yatra of Puri Jagannath is very famous. And this is the famous Lingaraja temple, which is dedicated to Lord Shiva. So this is the Chilka Lake, so largest coastal lagoon of India, and this is the largest saline water lake. And this is the Rath Yatra festival of Puri, which attracts lakhs of people from all parts of India and also from other countries. Odissi, the dance Odissi of Odisha is famous for its grace, and it is a well-known classical dance of India. So children, this is the Odissi dance, the classical dance form of India. And so that's all about the central India, the states in the central Indian. So complete your classworks and textual exercises.